Welcome to Company C. This training will help you navigate Outlook 2016 in your day-to-day work. Outlook is an all-in-one application that helps you organize your emails, contacts, and calendars. In this training, you will learn how to create messages, send and receive emails, and organize your calendar using appointments and meetings. To navigate through this course, you can use the back and forth arrows to go to the next slide or go back to the previous slide. In Section 1, you'll learn about creating and sending emails, creating a signature, and using reply or reply all options. I'm creating a new email. I can type the recipient's email directly in the to line. If you don't know the email address of the internal employee, there is a way that you can look this up. For those times that you don't know the email address for the recipient, you can search for user by clicking at the book buttons in the to line. Another screen pulls up, and you can then search for that user by name. Now let's take a minute to practice. Go ahead and open up Microsoft Outlook on your second monitor. We'll learn how to search for employee, so take a minute to create a new email and search for your supervisor's name. Once you add them as a recipient, send them email so they know that you have mastered this task. Once you completed this, go ahead and click next arrow to go to the next slide. Now that you know how to create an email, let's cover some tips on creating email subject lines. The subject line is important because it's identifies the email's intent. This subject should be concise and direct. Here's some examples of recommended subject lines to use. In Microsoft Outlook 2016, you can set up your signature by first creating a new email. In the email, select Signature from the Messages menu. Under Edit Signature, you can customize your signature by adding text, changing fonts, and font color. If you want your signature added to all new emails that you created by default, in the New Messages drop-down box, select the signature. This option does not automatically add your signature to any messages that you reply to or forward. To include your signature in the replies or forwarded emails, select your signature in the Replies Forward drop-down. Click OK to save the new signature. Now the next time you create a new email, it will use the new signature that you selected. Now let's take a look at creating a new signature. Let's take another minute to practice. Go ahead and open up Microsoft Outlook on your second monitor. Now that you've done that, let's take a minute to set up your signature using this example as a template. Once you completed that, go ahead and click Next to proceed to the next slide. When it comes time to respond to an email, you need to identify if you should reply or reply all. When you hit reply, it will only send the response to the person that sent you the email. When you hit the reply all button, it will send the response to all individuals that were on the original email. Now that you completed section 1 of this training, you should know how to create and send emails, set up your signature, and also the difference between reply and reply all. Congratulations on completing section 1 of this course. Now you're ready for section 2.